Doing a tune-up on a 2018 Ford Police Interceptor sedan. And it's a piece of cake once you take the intake manifold off. Get to the back. It's only one problem. If you haven't changed ignition coils in a long time on these cars, what'll happen is the boot could be dry rotted coming from the bottom of the ignition coil and get stuck down inside of the spark plug holes. So what you got to do is, so I use this for another car before. Sharpen it up, little piece of hanger, and you gotta like stab down inside the spark plug hole to break up the rest of the rubber that's stuck down in there that it dry rotted, melted onto the walls of the spark plug holes. And once you do that, a piece of it will get stuck to this. Then just get your air gun, blow out the cylinder holes, the spark plug holes, and you're good. But when you're trying to take this intake manifold off, it's one little bolt that's tricky. You're gonna have to take the throttle body off to get to it. It goes right here. This tube right here is for the power transfer unit vent hose. That's what this is. So it's right next to it. Once you take this bolt out, you get to the back of this intake manifold. That's the hole right there at the bottom that'll be stuck. So always remember that we're changing spark plugs on this 3.5. Using the 5/8 spark plug socket. So as you can see, I already did the front side. So that same thing happened to me with this ignition coil on number 5 right there. So it's all good. So you want to know which one is the final order. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, that's actually, I take that back. 3.5, 3.7, particularly the same engine. This is a 3.7. I stand to be corrected. So, take the air housing off, all the breather, all that stuff, and always make sure you disconnect the negative on the battery. And it should be a piece of cake. But like I say, it look intimidating. Super simple, super simple. And also, it's a hose that connects to this back there that you're gonna have to stick some needle nose back there to get to. That's it right there. But it's not that bad. You get it from over by the brake booster. Shouldn't have any issues. These rusty spark plugs will give you a misfire. The good thing is it's dry inside of the spark plug holes, so that let me know there's no oil leak. It's going in there fouling up those spark plugs, so that's a great thing right there. It's that old spark plug boot. That's it. Just crumbling right up. So if you get a used Police Interceptor, or you get a Ford Taurus, or you get a Ford Taurus SHO, go ahead and buy 2 extra ignition coils, because you don't know if you're going to have this issue with these boots seizing up inside of the spark plug holes. That's the conclusion of my video. Gone.